Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, how you doing? Yes, I've got an update for you. It's about this ongoing strike that is going on in Nigeria. Yes, live at Ibadan, University of Ibadan. Yes, there's a protest there, and the students blocked the road leading to the campus, and even so, there's no movement of vehicle from anywhere, so everywhere was just on standstill. And thanks to the security agency of Oyo State, as the Amotekun and the police were there to put everything in order so that their protests will not be hijacked by any hoodlums. And it was a peaceful protest, as students were just sitting there, shouting song, and carrying placards with inscription of "We want you to put an end to this ASUU, NASU, or SASU, or whatever SU strike." So that is it. I just pray that Nigeria government will hear their cry, will yield to their request, and they grant them everything they ASUU, SASU, and NASU, everything they need, so that these people can go back to class. Please, we are getting tired. Okay, so that's it about the protest, guys. So it was a very peaceful one. There was no any form of fight or whatever, because the security were on standby to put everything in order. So that's it about the protest going on in University of Ibadan, UI, opposite University of Ibadan. Yes, at our Ibadan here. Yes, that's it, guys.